A massive fire has engulfed a building in Detroit, sending giant plumes of smoke into the sky. The factory, which takes up an entire city block on the west side, became well lit and has been causing major problems for firefighters. The thick black smoke rose so high it could be seen from miles away and prompted fears of pollution. There were concerns hazardous waste was inside and people downwind were being told to stay indoors to avoid the toxic fumes. Firefighters have been using 3 ladder trucks and several ground hoses to douse the flames, taking a defensive position. It's reported they were letting the fire burn out at the abandoned building. There have been no reports of injuries at this stage. How it started remains unknown, and traffic has been kept away from the area while the fire is being put out.